here from Dr. Lock. I'm going to make keys for an old ADI bolt. So, the easiest way I like to do it is just get the door open, make sure the bolt's moving, and we'll pick it open. I'm going to use a Majestic for this. Okay, it's now been picked open. Let's put that back. Let's grab the magic tools. We want LW5. Okay, let's get a key read. Now this part's always tricky to remember them all, so you can cheat, you can use your phone. And the best one I like to do is just bring up the phone book, just like that. Okay, then we can go through 3, 6, we'll put that as a 5. Well, actually, let's check that again. Yeah, 5, 7, 7, and then a 6. Best thing to do is just call it, so then it's in your phone. So I'm going to leave that turned just until I actually cut the key. So I just need to remove my tool. Until I cut the key, I'll leave it like that. Let's go. Alright, so we need a 5-pin. Turn some lights on. And here we go. Make sure you can see what's going on down here. So 6-pin key, white sensor, that one there, that one there. Okay, favourites, card number 405, thank you. Now I put in what I've just called, just push redial, and I've got 3, 6, oh, that's a mistake, 3, 6, 5, come on, 3, 6, 5, 7, 7, 6, boom, shield down, start cutting, start. So I'm just going to cut one and see if that works. Okay, let's check. Actually, let's give it a puff. Okay, fingers crossed we should get it first go. And we do. That's working nice and smoothly. So what's happened here is the pin's been pushed all the way through. That actually has like a pin in there that should be retaining the pin from coming up too far. So the bolt should only move from here to here. But unfortunately it's broken, so let's check it. So I can see the bolt's already full of a lot of dirt. And you can see how far out that bolt is. So we have to pull it forward. And it needs a re-drill. Okay, let's making a quick key to a ADI old-fashioned bolt. Leave your description down below. Thanks for watching.